Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I want to show you how you can modifying the shape uh, for schematic diagram, the the shape for your device. Something, for example, uh, this Raspberry Pi, we have this shape, but you need to arranging your pin. So what you have to do sometimes according to your design, according to a schematic diagram, you have sometimes you find some component, or and then you think when you try to design, it's depending on the peripheral you need to add, the what you need to connect. So sometimes, for example, you need to connect this USB pin, but on this side, but you don't know how you can modifying this model. So this video I can show you step by step how can modifying this model, and then you are launching the pin according to what you know what you want. Because when you're modifying this model, it's better because it can help you to make simple schematic diagrams, minimizing the size. So, because you're connecting the pin and then you minimizing the closing, lining mess. So for example, you need to connect this pin 18, and then you need to closing on this line. You see this one making a mess. So instead of crossing here, just you can take this pin GPIO 18, you can put it in this side. I think it's better than you crossing this one, because when you make this one in schematic diagram, is not easy to understandable. So that's why you need to modify this one. I make this video, I think it's very important for PCB design. Like this one, you need to connect on this side, and then how? Just you need to come on this side, and then because if you have a device component connected on, you press on the right side, and then the pin you need to connecting to the LAN pin. How you connect, you need to travel long way. So to solve this problem, just you need to modify this shape. So how to do it? Let's go. So the first we need to do design, then and then go to the project, and then you look this one, and then this RP, you see the RP 2040, RP 2040, and then go to save as, because we need to create the new model. So putting P or new, it's okay, and then save. You see successful, and then you go to the personal. Already is coming here, and then what you have to do, you go to edit device, go to the edit device, right, and then you see right now you are allowed to changing the shape. Even you can make like this one, it's depending on what you want, what you need. Yes, right. And then you can take, for example, you need to take or this pin, this VD pin on the left side. So you need to copy this VD pin, and then move. Press spacebar for rotation. Right, and then You need to change, for example, this pin, USB pin. You need to put in, sorry, you need to take USB pin on this side. It's okay. You take this pin, then putting on the top. This pin, it's okay. Right. And then the GPIO. Yep. Then this GPIO. Sometimes you need to put this GPIO on the button. You can do it like this one. This ground, tests, debugger pin, and this pen. So you see, you can changing the pin according to what you need. Right. Already our shape already is changed according what we need. So and then the second thing you have to save, and then go to the schematic diagram, and then delete the first one, and then you go to the new. We have the new shape, and then go to the place. Already you have a new shape. Easy. You see, everything is easy. Instead of coming to putting the to crossing the line inside of your device shape, so you can modifying your model easily. I think it is easy. And then, for example, sometimes you need to changing the shape for your model. You don't need to change or still having the like this triangle. You don't like it. For example, you can rate it. Then you take the line. You can change this one up to this one. Yep. And then you can take this one. All right. According what you want, how you need to changing your design. You can take this one. It's okay. Yeah, and then you're done, and then you can save. Already done, and then you can go to schematic diagram again, delete this one, then you can take the new one, press order. Yeah, it's update. Because we use the same thing, it delete one. It's okay, right? And then you can use this shape according. So yeah, you can make it. I think this one is a very important as designer. You see right now in schematic diagram, you can design, you can modify your pin, you can do everything you want, right? Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hope is a very important. If you think it's good, put a comment, write something in the comment, and then you can tell me what thing you need to learning about the EasyEDA, so I can tell you step by step. Thank you. Have a good day.